Akkam jirtu barattoota? Nagaa keessanii? Barattoota, yeroo darbe tamsaasa qayyabannaa barnoota ji'oogiraafii barattoota Remediyaalii bara 2016 fi gaaffiiwwan muraasa hojjedhee viidiyoo tokko isin biraan gaheera. Barattoota, ammas yeroo lammaffaa barnoota keessan ji'oogiraafii qayyabannaa irratti akkasiin utubuudhaaf ibsa gaggabaaboodhaa fi qormaata gaaffilee qormaata bara biyyoolessaa adda addaatti gaafataman isiniif qabadhee dhiyaadheera. Barattoota, qayyabannaa keessan keessatti akka gargaaramtaniidhaaf viidiyoon kun karaa yuutuubii GO Lesson 17 tiiviidhaan isin bira ga'u hiriyoota keessan biras akka ga'uudhaaf sheer, laayikii fi sabiskiraayib gochuu hin dagatiinaan affeerraa kooti. Ready yourself to study for your remedial class exam with our channel. I am very happy to investigate my time on your success. Today we are going to see how the river capture is formed. Another, we are going to see about the commonly features of river captures, and we are again going to see about the behavior of empirical research, and the last we are going to see about the effect of large areal size of countries. Good. Students, pay your attention here. Here, the river capture is formed by 4 ways. The first way, the river capture is formed when the rock on the side of the victim river is softer. 2. The river capture is formed when the heavy rainfall falls on the Pirates River side of the watershed. 3. The Pirates River has a steeper course and erodes consequently. During this again, the river capture is formed. 4th, the river capture is formed when the watershed consists of very low grounds. Good. So let's see one question about our discussion. Ethiopian University entrance exam of 2013 or 2021 asks that under what condition is the river capture formed? A. In areas where the Pirates River has moderate slope and erosion resistant courses. B. In a watershed that comprises higher ground. C. In areas where the rock on the side of the victim river is harder. D. Formed when heavy precipitation occurs on the Pirates River side of the watershed, it says. So, distractor A said the under or the river capture was formed as an area where the Pirates River has moderate, it says, not moderate, but steep slope. Again, the river capture formed when the watershed contains lower ground, not higher ground. C. The river capture formed in areas where the rock on the side of the victim river is harder, it says, not harder, but it is softer. D. The formed against the river capture was formed when the heavy rainfall occurs on the Pirates River side of the watershed. Yes, this is right. It is correct. So the answer is D. What are the major features of river captures? There are again 4 common river captures. These are elbow of capture, misfit or underfit stream, reverse drainage, and a wind gap. What is elbow of capture? Elbow of capture is a point where a strong river cuts into the course of weak river during the river capture. Okay. B, or the second, misfit or underfit stream is a stream which is deprived of its headwaters and becomes too small for a valley it belongs to. 3. The reverse drainage occurs when a river which was part of the original captured river flows to the opposite direction of the original flow. The fourth, wind gap, is found at the elbow of capture, which was once covered by the captured stream, but it becomes now contains no rivers. Good. The national exam entrance of Ethiopian Secondary School Leaving certificate exam asks that if you observe a point where a strong river cuts into the course of weaker river in your locality, which of the features listed below represents the observed case? It says A, wind gap, B, reverse drain, C, elbow of the capture, D, misfit stream. It says. So, as I have discussed earlier, elbow of the capture takes place when the strong river cuts into the course of the weaker river in our locality. Okay, another. We are going to see about the feature of empirical research. What is an empirical research? Before going to answer the entrance exam, it is better to understand what is empirical research is. So, an empirical research is a direct observational research. It is best way to examine reality and establishes the practical and scholarly significant research topic. This research uses both review literature and hypothesis, but review literature enables to identify gaps to be filled since the study is what? Since the study is practical. Good. So, if you were commissioned to conduct an empirical study, which basic element of research might enable you to identify gaps to fill by your study? A, reviewing literature review. B, developing a hypothesis. C, defining a sampling design. D, delineating the scope of the study. So the answer is here A. Another issue that we are going to discuss is about the large areal size of countries challenge. Large size countries are benefited and also affected by certain circumstances or circumferences. What are the difficulties? What are the advantages? Let's see. Okay. Ethiopian Secondary School Leaving Certificate Exam of 2023 says that, or asks that, what will be the challenges of country with a large areal size? A, shortage of arable land. This is not the challenge of countries with large areal size, but it is advantage of large, not shortage, but large arable lands. B. Diversities of lingual and ethnic groups. This is again the benefit. And varied agroecological zones. Again, large areal size countries or countries which have a large areal size are benefited with having varied agroecological zones, but they are negatively affected by difficulty of border control. Why? Because large country size or countries which have large border lines needs high number of defensive force. So since it needs high number of defensive force, it needs also high budget for defensive force. So this is difficulty or shortage of having large size land masses. On the coming lesson, we are going to see about the relative location of Horn of Africa and some issues of grade 9 up to grade 12 that raised in different years Ethiopian Secondary School Leaving Certificate exams. Thank you, students, for your attention. Thank you. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe. Goodbye, students. Goodbye.